congratulate natin. Kanina sigawan sila nung humarap.
Yeah.
Kaya nga eh, actually, it's a sudden thing po for me na pumunta doon kasi parang naging walk-in lang talaga. As in, biglaan lang talagang on the spot na ganun. Parang na-reborn again yung feeling na actually gusto ko po kasi nag-ramp sa runway. So, it's been a long time din since my last one.
Ako po super proud. Ang dami ko nga pong focus cam sa kanya eh.
Ako po, same lang din, in this element lang po. Kaya masaya ako dahil nakapag-runway ulit siya for a long time.
Congratulations dun sa recent na
Thank you po.
show nyo.
Thank you po.
How has it been? Kasi parang every time na nagpa-perform kayo, every time na nagkakaroon ng bagong show, parang ang dami hindi pa nagbabago, pero may mga nadadagdag dun sa experiences nyo, may mga nadadagdag sa kung paano kayo as an artist. Kamusta yung mga ganun?
Masaya po at the same time mahirap kasi syempre you have to bring brand new things na pwedeng pag-usapan ng ibang tao or ng 4-1 ng fans po namin. So masaya po kami dahil na-appreciate po nila lahat ng yun and tumatak din po sa kanila yung some of our solo performances and masaya din po kami dahil na-appreciate din po nila yun kasi it's our first time performing ng kami lang po mag-isa. So kabado din po kami isa-isa. Po? Opo naman. Never po mawawala yan kasi parang yun po yung
Excitement.
Excitement tsaka ayun po. Ako po personally kinakabahan po kasi first time ko po magbalad. Yun po.
Kamusta yung relationship nyo with your fans over the years? Kasi parang mas lalong, parang kilala nyo nga sila on a different level.
Yes. Actually po, we treat our fans like family. Kasi sila rin yung isa sa mga bumubuhat sa amin. Lalo na nung nag-hiatus stage kami, isa sila sa mga tumulong sa amin para makilala pa rin kami sa P-pop community. And through the years, syempre nagkaroon din kami ng mga tour. Sila rin pa rin yung nanonood sa amin palagi and nagsosupport. And nakakatawa dahil dumadami yung fans namin, which is yung 4-1. So 4-1, keep it up and mahal namin kayo.
Oo, padapalag din sila ng
Yes po. Oo nga po eh. Kanina nga lang po, ang dami nagsabi na ito bagong recruit to, bagong 4-1 to, ganyan. So nakakatawa.
Na-appreciate nila yung trabaho nila.
Yes po.
Before, may fashion line na yung ibang FT19, now kailan kaya kayo? Or may naisip na ba kayong mga ganyang possibility ng collab and fashion? Or gusto nyo rin naman, syempre?
Super gusto po namin yun kasi eto pong era na to is masasama po ng line na to. One of one, go beyond, we are first one. So gaya po nung sa recent concert, binago na po namin yung so to say tagline namin from started at the end going up to be first. Naging one of one, go beyond na kasi it's a time na in this fourth year onwards, it's a time for growth. Yun nga po, in-explore na namin yung solos namin. So with that, hindi lang naman singing, dancing, and rap yung solos. There's Jason kanina, solo in modeling, and ramp. So there's also solos in acting, in fashion, yung mga ganyan. So it's part of the plan. It's part of the whole bigger picture that we want to continue to achieve. But na po, I will leave it in God's time kasi parang talagang fino-focus namin lahat ng efforts namin sa music namin. Gaya nga po nung new song namin entitled Paalam Na. So it's one of the songs na talagang magsa-start ng series of comebacks to usher the new era permanently.
Ay, abangan natin yan.
Tulad po din ang sabi ni Alpha, we treat 4-1 as a family po talaga. And syempre, FanCon po yun. Binigay po talaga namin kung ano yung mga hinihiling nila, like yung interaction na gusto po nilang makuha. And I think po na nakuha nila and nabigay po namin as a first one. And we're very proud of 4-1 talaga. So, keep it up, guys. Love you.
Nakakatuwa na parang very genuine. Hindi siya talaga, I mean, at first naman din, hindi rin siya dumating sa parang, oh, hi, hello. Talagang at first naramdaman naman namin na talagang sila, extended family sila, ganun. And ngayon, as they grow, and tulad namin, nag-grow din kami. And then yung population nila parang lumalaki rin. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung kung sino sila before. Kami, nagiging natural lang din kami sa kanila. Kasi ganun lang rin sila sa amin. Yes.
Our newest single entitled Paalam Na is out now. It came out last Friday, August 23. It's continue to please stream it in Spotify and all music streaming platforms. Yung visualizer niyan is also out in YouTube, our official artist YouTube channel. The new one at 1STONE official. Please do subscribe din kasi yung mga paparating dyan na MV, dun lalabas yan. So, this era will start with Paalam Na. So, we hope, of course, ang dami na nakapanood ng live performances din with Paalam Na. We hope you're continuing to grow with us. Paalam na to the old us so that we can grow and move forward. And just continue to stream and sumali kayo sa TikTok Dance Challenge. Kung kaya niyo yung original choreo, good. Kung hindi naman, meron niyang iba-ibang modes. Merong easy, merong emo
skit,
mode, pwedeng skit.
Pwedeng kantahin, cover.
Pwedeng kantahin, marami. So, we just want to be really in touch, interactive, and enjoy with you guys. Stream Paalam Na, it's out now. One of one, go beyond, we are first one! Hi mga kapatid! You're watching News 5!